Hey guys, if you want to know how to change Buy It Now button on Shopify, then this is the right video. At first, head over to your Shopify store, click on Online Store, then Themes, and then whatever theme you have, click on the three dots and then click on Edit Code. From there, you'll see this option called Theme Liquid. Make sure you clicked on this one. Now, if you're on Windows, just click on Control F and this command will pop up and then just type in /head. Now, this is not here available for me because I don't have the store set up right now. But if you did, there would be the head highlighted in some other color. What you need to do is go to this pest bean link that you see. It's not loading because my net is a bit slow, but whatever code you find there, just copy the entire thing and right above head you want to paste it, and there'll be a little section written as Buy It Now. All you have to do is remove that and put in whatever text you want to, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.